Okay, so have a wheel that I want to bounce up and down. But first we need to move the pivot point. The pivot point is very important as it is the point onto which all transformation happened. It's very important because we will be using a squash and stretch from the 12 principles animation. So move that pivot point down so we can squash it down, like that. Okay, now position wheel at the top where you want to make first position key. So now go to first frame and key it down. Now copy first keyframe and copy it as the last keyframe. Now simply go halfway in between and make a key with wheel down. Okay, now you have an up and down motion, but it is very linear, so we need to tweak the curve. Simply select the curve option, and select the first keyframe and select one of the ease tool. Now select the last keyframe and select the other ease tool. Now it is starting to look much better, but we need to add some squash and stretch from the 12 principles of animation. Simply make a nudge key before it touches ground, then when it touches ground do a non-uniform scaling, then a few frame later paste the keyframe before it stretch and squash to get it back to its original shape. Voila, you have now a cool seamless ball bouncing loop. Let us talk about seamless animation loop. It is an animation loop that has the same start and end, so it loop without any seams. Usually simply copy first frame to last frame, then tweak animation curve to adjust timing.